Just rolling out. Harvester's up in front of me there. We're going corn chopping. Got one of the dumpers today. Let's go. Here we go. First job of 2021. Corn, that is. Trying to back up to the bagger here, but it's so muddy now that you can barely steer. The wheels are barely turning. Ay. I tell you what. Here we go. First load going on the bag. Just dump pretty carefully so you don't overload the bag. Bagger, I mean. There's a guy on the other side directing Nathan with what to do. In the first load he probably won't move, but then after that we'll sit there, dump a bit while it gets pulled up into the machine, then you gotta pull ahead. Dump a bit, pull ahead, dump a bit. Well, you just keep dumping as you creep forward. And then each load does a couple of feet. Before you know it, the 250-foot bag is full. Yeah, what a mess. We've just been getting rain after rain after rain here. We're near Stratford, Ontario here. Today. It should be getting close to empty now. He's all the way, or pretty much all the way up. You see there, he just pulled ahead a little bit. So bagger's starting to move. The bagger keeps moving constantly, and then we'll just move ahead 6 inches, stop, move 6 inches, stop. See right there. And the first load is done. My turn. Bag's getting fuller. And now it's trying to rain on us. We'll see. It's definitely lighter to the north. Just depends if we miss it or not. It's going to be close. gets slightly wet here. Well, the equipment was nice and clean. That didn't take long. All this mud doesn't help. Opening up fields is just so much fun. Especially when it's a little sloppy like it is today. Put a cut through here. Better slow down, that's it. So that's where I cut my last load. Oh boy, bouncing. Oh my. Oh, that is rough. This place is really rough. Not too impressive. The field itself is, it's just wet enough that we're picking up mud on the tires and spinning and slipping a bit. It's not actually so wet that we're expecting to get stuck, but you never know. It's like a maze. Way up there is a harvester. It's still green enough. Wouldn't want to put this in a silo, but for the bag it works. This farmer wanted the fields opened up, so. Yep, there's where Dave was full. Make a loop so that we can turn around. We're getting there. It's a long way to drive. That's pretty nice corn. I have no idea what variety it is, but it's almost the height of my cab, so it's pretty good. My tractor is not so clean anymore. But what do you do? Hopefully with this load we can get around the end of the field and back up to the buildings, and we won't have to drive all the way around. Okay. So he's parked there. Drive fast, go around the loop, and he's going to follow us back to the edge of the field. Yeah. So there he turned left out of the loop. So we're just going the right direction again. And we're going to go this way. And then back up. So the way we open fields, I raise the box. Not that far. And then we back up for a while. Gotta get on the phone with them so we can communicate. I can't video at the same time. That's not ideal. This is bent too much and it's hitting the tire. And this support bar that's supposed to be here, the part that hooks onto here broke. Push this side of it into the tractor. So we're all having all kinds of fun here. Using the chain to try and pull this thing straight. Yeah. It's not just our stuff that breaks. See all the scars on the walls here? That's from dumpers hitting it. It's unfortunate, but it happens a lot. One thing that sucks with using a bagger, no matter what you do, you always end up hitting it at one point or the other. You know, the blue paint. There's some blue paint. Not as much on this side.